What our country needs is a smartness. What if the smartness is at your doorstep? Here we have smartness, smart entrance mat.
Hi, I'm Preeti Rao, founder of Govt Engineering, and my product is Smart Entrance Mat. Washing feet with clean water before entering indoor spaces was a custom followed by most of the culture across the globe. They knew the significance of washing feet and maintaining indoor hygiene and preventive health care measures. Also, this method of cleaning feet was simple, hygienic and most effective. This avoided regular cleaning of dirty, unhygienic floor mats. But this practice is no more feasible in present day scenario. Presently, foot mat industry is flooded with variety of general purpose mat, disinfecting wet mats and automatic sole cleaning machines. These mats have common problems. Feet is only partially cleaned and these mats accumulate dirt and diseases and gets dirtier with every user pass. This leads to entry of dirt and diseases into the indoor floors, and studies have proven that bacteria on the surfaces of floor sustain for a long period of time and spreads all over the indoor environment with the help of air currents. A recent study conducted by CDC in hospital of Wuhan showed that coronavirus spread from COVID ward all over the hospital through feet of hospital staff. The USP of our product is it's compact, cost effective, 100% maintenance free and for effective cleaning and sanitization of user sole. The competitive advantages are our product is all new patent pending technology with no direct competitors. Pricing is competitive where our competitors are priced at 10 to 20 times higher cost with comparatively lower performance. Our mats are 100% maintenance free and provides consistent performance with zero drop in efficiency. The total market for the fleet cleaning and sanitization is valued at 218 billion rupees, and considering 30% of this market as our customers with high demand, the serviceable market would be 65 billion rupees. And we estimate 10% of the serviceable market as our obtainable market, which is a market opportunity of 6.5 billion rupees. Our target customers are segmented under three categories: residential customers with large luxury homes, politicians, HNIs and VIPs; industrial customers like food processing, pharma, electronics and biotech industries; commercial customers like laboratories and diagnostics, hospitals, large government and private institutions. Our mat will be sold approximately at MRP 35,000 rupees. And with an estimated sales of 300 mats per month, we can generate a revenue of 1 crore with 20% profit margin. We need 25 lakhs of fund to launch this product in 6 months of time. Join with us to bring revolutionary change in the world of feet cleaning and sanitization. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was really a smart move and a smart mat by a smart lady. Now we'll see what our jury has to say. Now this is Dr. AP Achar posing the first question.
In the post-COVID and during COVID, I think it's a very interesting project. But at what stage you are in? You are in the POC stage, or a functional product, or an idea stage?
We have a working prototype and it is all fully functional. We are just have to develop a final product with an appearance that we can provide to the customers.
Have you tested this with some customers?
We haven't tested.
But how do you say that your whatever about benefit you are saying will actually happen when somebody uses it? Still theoretical, or?
Sir, we have run multiple tests in our lab.
Okay.
And with multiple user cases with the feet in different types of dirt scenarios, and it has worked effectively and efficiently every time, sir.
Well, 25 lakhs will not be enough for you to do it.
Yes.
So you have to come out with a very realistic estimate of your budget requirement. That's point number one. You were mentioning that you have three category of customers. I was trying to look at the first category of customer. It means you are trying to cater to only the rich people in the society. What's your comment on this?
We would really like to bring this technology to an affordable price where every person can buy it, and it will be the future of mats, just like how we used to do laundry manually before and now we have washing machines. Our mat is one of that kind, and as we grow we will reduce the prices and we will find ways to reduce it to such an extent that any middle class person can afford it.
You mean to say that you have built a huge margin in the beginning and then you would like to come down? What do you mean to say?
No, this is as we are in the initial stages and the product is fully featured. We have not released much of the variants. This is very expensive right now, but we will make the features lesser feature versions in the future, and we will also try to reduce more costs of production and make it more affordable to the market.
You mean to say you are monopolistic now, as long as there are no actors, you want to make money and then bring down the cost?
That would be one of our strategy.
Yeah, Preeti, your presentation and your confidence is very good. But see, I am a bit confused here because you said that you are there will be fresh flowing water, and you also say that it is being 35,000 cost, it will be kept at the door. See, who is going to buy this? And see, for having fresh water flowing and all, you need to do a lot of adjustments in a house. See, I have built a very beautiful house, and why should I put some sort of mat which you are suggested today at the entrance? What did you do in assessing the people's response to this? You are coming out with the product, fine, but whether the people will buy it or not?
Sir, we have done a very strong market validation before we took up from idea stage to prototyping stage. We consulted with several commercial showrooms like jewelry showrooms, silk showrooms, and they are very concerned about the health because it's an AC space where huge mass of people are entering inside, and even the employees have several health issues. Generally they have migraine, cold and all, and they have accepted the fact that cleaner floor space will be very helpful for them, and they are open to buy our product at the given cost.
Everywhere there is a water shortage. So for washing the feet itself, so much water we are wasting. Do you not think that this will be difficult situation everywhere?
Yes, sir. Actually, we considered water saving as one of the main criteria while developing this product. So, per user pass, we only need 250 ml or even lesser than that water, because we are just creating a thin film of water for very few seconds, and that is very sufficient enough to clean the feet 100% and also disinfect the feet.
Okay. Now this total project cost, when it comes for commercial production, what is the total project cost?
Yeah, once we commercialize and we generate orders in numbers like 100 or 200, then we might need working capital and inventory costs for around 50 lakhs to 1 crore.
Looking at your background, you are a best known engineer, I know that, but project is also very interesting. But what is your go to market strategy? How do you sell it and make profit out of this project?
So initially we will be going B2B, and with the help of our CSR tie-ups, we will be contacting businesses directly, and we will show them demonstrations, and we will even give them 1 month sample usage models, and once they are used to it, they will love it, and I am pretty sure they will buy our product in multiple units for their large business spaces.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Very good.
That was wonderful.